cryo-electron microscopy, or cryo-EM, is a technique that's used by structural biologists to solve structures of macromolecules.
What is exciting to me about CRYOEM is how it's bringing in all these different people from different labs and different research programs to work on similar types of questions with using a similar technology.
I have been amazed by the power of the CRYOEM in solving quite a few difficult structures of the wave complex, showing how it is activated.
I'm actually getting goosebumps. We can look at this image and we're actually looking at this protein that we've thought about and worked with for 20-some years. And it's really, really exciting to be able to actually see it.
CRYOEM facility was established in year 2020 with a mission to provide research infrastructure and support interdisciplinary science and structural biology.
The hope with having the CRYOEM facility at Iowa State is really to do two different things. One is to allow researchers who are interested in moving into this new area of the discipline and doing structural biology to be able to do that in their labs, but also to be able to train students and postdocs in CRYOEM so that they can go get jobs in research, industry, and academics.
This facility was built based on a structural biology initiative from the Roger Carver Foundation. So I was very fortunate to be part of that structural biology initiative, and I had no previous CRYOEM experience, and I know this is a huge learning barrier for us, but I sent students here, and then within the last year, he has been extensively trained in many different aspects, from like grid preparation to sample prep, and from the data collection to data analysis.
We train in all the aspects of cryo-electron microscopy. So we have regular workshops, which we do here annually, and we train within small groups, and we provide one-to-one training to the individuals. We try to help the labs which have no previous experience in structural biology. We help them establish new projects and develop the CRYOEM methodology as a standard technique in their lab.
We benefit a lot from the different workshops and one-on-one trainings from the facility, so we can start from scratch without no prior experience.
Part of having a CRYOEM here, as well as our other facilities, is to be able to help people figure out how to do the type of work that they're most excited about and answer those big questions in biology that we're still trying to get a handle on.
I'm a structural biologist who has always been interested in nucleic acids, and especially in RNA. One of our major targets for structural studies is a complex that has been really recalcitrant to study by structural biology. It was very clear to us immediately that we wouldn't be able to approach this complex structurally using more traditional techniques like X-ray crystallography. We simply couldn't purify enough of it, and it wasn't homogeneous enough for us to be able to crystallize it. So it was absolutely necessary for us to be able to use CRYOEM to be able to actually solve the structure of it.
The facility was built as a structural biology initiative, and they have a promise to give high access priority to young investigators to ensure they have enough time, microscope time, to launch their own project, establish their lab.
Allowing my students to be the ones to be trained on how to use the CRYOEM in the first place, and then also to be the ones who actually collected the data and went through all the troubleshooting steps to actually find the conditions that would work well for CRYOEM was very important. And that was what allowed us to actually push this project forward.
What I'm most excited about with having the new CRYOEM facility here is creating a national hub for CRYOEM at Iowa State University for both conducting research and also for training new people who want to be involved in the CRYOEM as part of their field.
We're very proud to be one of the first facilities in the middle of the country, and we're very happy to be able to give access to CRYOEM to our neighboring institutions.
Iowa State University is an excellent place to work. We encourage collaborations and users to come to CRYOEM facility and work together with us.